Hi all, in this video I am going to show you how to create a screen which loads the values of, I'll show you, wait, change stage, okay. After choosing this we have, in previous video we have seen how to create this button to choose the required policies. Okay, I want first policy, I don't want second, I want third, I don't want 4, 5, 6, I want 7 like this. So after submitting this, I want one screen is to show whatever the policies I have chosen. Okay, so let me explain you by using this example. Okay, I'll open Flipkart, I'll buy something. Okay, I want this pen, maybe I'll select this, add to cart, and I want this as well. So I'll open it, I'll add to cart. Okay, so these two I have chosen and the screen is showing these two you have chosen like that. In this insurance also, whatever the policies I have chosen, so it should come after submitting, it should come. These are the policies you have chosen like that. Okay, so for that, how to achieve that we'll see in this video. Okay, okay. First, create a property. Which property? Page list property, exactly. Property is under the category of, okay, even I forgot that. Data model category, I think, yes. So, selected coverages, we can use, no, selected coverages. This is page list, right? I'm going to create page list. I'll use page list. Okay. Create and open. Oh, sorry, I'm creating on vehicle coverages. It should be created under vehicle insurance class. Okay. Selected coverages page list. Okay, I have given like this. Just it's a name shake. Okay. I want it as a page list. Source is from this vehicle coverages only. Okay. RP, I'll type RPAS. I'll give slash and now it will come. Data vehicle coverages. Data class. Okay. Okay. Save it. Okay. Now just refresh and check whether the property is created or not. Refresh all. Under data model category, property, selected coverages page list is created. Okay, we referred the data class, so whatever the properties are there in data class came here. Okay, okay. Now what to do now? We need to, after creating a page list, we need to create a section. How to create a section? Right click, create user interface section, selected coverages section. Okay, selected coverages section. So I'll create and open it. First, I'll show you something. Okay, convert full section editor. Submit. This is that is the table data, right? So I'm taking one table. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'll change this table color. Container format, other. I'll give mobile header. Okay, we'll see what the color will come. Pure blue. Where is that option to edit it? It's a little difficult, right? I'll change it. Okay. Notifications maybe. I'll give. Okay, it's good. It's looking good. Okay. This one also I'll change. Okay. This thing I'll give. I'll give this thing. We'll see. Okay. Now source is unspecified. So we need to define a source. So what kind of page we need to select here? Selected coverage is page list. Source is this thing. Okay. Submit. So insert column, right. Insert column, right. Okay. So drag and drop. Okay. Now save it. We have created a section. Okay. We'll see what will happen. Okay. I'm just going to do some experiment now. Okay. Save it. Okay. After creating a section, what we are going to do? We are going to create a flow action. Flow action is under a category of process. Create a flow action. FA. Okay. Create and open. What section needs to be called here? Just now we created a section. No? All coverage. Sorry. Selected coverages section. Okay. Save it. Now we need to create a flow, but we already have the class. Okay. From there we can call it. Okay. Add one step. Collect information. This is for selected coverages. Go here. Open process. Why the flow is not created? Okay, I'll close it. I'll open again. Let me save it. Now I'll call the Okay, now it's working. Okay. First I need to check out what flow action needs to be called here. Selected coverages flow action. Where is that flow action? Okay, submit, save, and check in. No need to check in, but just I'm checking. Now I'll open the case type. Mm, okay, now I'll open the case type and I'll test it. Record is tail. Okay, refresh. Now the data will not come because we did not create any data transform. But the one page will create. I'll show whether I want to check whether the page is created or not. Once the page is created, we will transform the data by using data transform. Okay. Okay. I'm selecting 10, 7. Alright, select it no 5. Okay. Submit. After submitting, one page should come like this only. Whatever I'm expecting is coming, but not fully. But here the data should come as 1 7 10. I am select whatever I selected 10 7 5. I think those details should come here. Okay, selected coverages. Okay, under selected coverages flow action. Okay, so how will it come? For that, we need to create a data transform. Here, I'll do some experiments. Okay, so I'm going to log into the application. Where is my document? Meanwhile, I'll open the document. Maybe Word. No, I think I have created new document. Let it be. It's lagging. Okay, it's open now. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, once after switching into Dev Studio, we will see. Where is my case type? This is my case type. Let's try to execute the case. Then only you will understand better. First, we have created one page list, and then we created one section flow action flow to access the data. Not to access the data, to show the data on UI. But we did not create any data transform. That's why the data is not transferring. So what data and all, I'll tell you now. Maybe I'll combine this video with previous video while uploading. Okay. Okay, submit. See, if we select this some data, this data should come on next page, but it will not come. We created until here only. It should data should come here. So how the data will come? If we create the data transform, data will transfer from here to there. Okay, how to create a data transform? Now that is our point. Okay, I'll create data transform now. Right click, create. Under data model category, go to data transform. Okay, go to data transform. What is this data transform name? Selected coverages DT. Okay, just for the namesake I'm giving. Okay, I'll do one thing here. Simply append to which page list? Selected coverages page list. For each page in, for each page in, which page? All coverages, all coverages. When you need to write the when rule here. When dot py selected. Okay, y is not coming again. I need to do something to get y. Okay, this is the y. Py selected is equal to true. Okay, submit. Now the data should come. We'll check. We have another option also, that also I'll teach, but as of now we'll see this. Okay, we have created a data transform. Now we need to call this data transform at post processing of all coverages section. Where is that section? I'll open the section. Section is under the category of user interface. Section, all coverages. Sorry, flow action you need to do, right? So, okay. Where is that flow action? Under process tab, flow action, all coverages FA. We need to call our data transform here. Go to action tab, post processing. You need to call the data transform. Apply data transform. Here you need to call the data transform selected coverages data transform. Okay, save it. Now go here, create a case and test it. We'll see whether data is coming or not. The data will come. Oh, I think it will not come. We need to do some changes. Sorry. We'll see. I'm selecting one and I think it will come. We'll see. See, the data is coming now. I selected 1 and 3, but I don't know why this two times it's coming. It should come only one time. Aha. This is how we can do this, but it should come only one time. I think I can do something here. We have another method also. I'll tell you that method as well after disabling this. Okay. Okay. I'll disable this first. I'll disable and add sibling below. What I will do here is for each page in, where is that? For each page in, page list, all coverages, all coverages. Use this as a source page. When we need to use functions here. Oh, sorry. Browse functions equals ignore case. Dot pyd. Sorry, pySelected, comma. If pySelected is true, then append to what is the page list? Here we need to give primary dot. I think, yeah, primary dot. Primary dot. Which page we need to go on? Which page we need to copy? On selected coverages page list. Okay, selected coverages page list. Primary dot. It should come here. Okay. Mm. So check out from which page it need to be copy. All coverages page list dot current source page we can give. Okay. Save it. We'll create a case and test it now. Here I will select 3 and 4 now. Okay. Submit. It's coming, but it's coming twice. I don't know why it's coming twice. I'll check once. Okay. Okay then. Let me open tracer. ఎలుకో నాయక It's tracing. It's very slow, yeah. It's coming now. We'll see. The reason for getting double data is I have called the data transform twice. Here in all coverages section post processing I have called the data transform and selected coverages list, and here in selected coverages flow action in pre-processing I have called this data transform. This is occurring the issue. So what I will do now, I'll delete this for here, delete this from here. Okay, that pre-processing I'll call. Okay, save it. Now I'm going to case type. Sorry, this is not the thing. Okay, I'll execute a case now. Now it will work. Okay, this is the thing we have did wrong. Okay, now I'll select 147. Okay, I'll submit it. Now the data will come. Only 147 is coming. Okay, we have called the data transform twice. That's why data is coming two times. Okay, so I have deleted from one section, one flow action. So the data is calling only one time. Okay, okay, that is the thing. Now I already shown you two things. I think I have explained you right how to create these two things. Okay, if not, I'll explain you again. Let it be. Okay, see, first I have disabled it because I want to execute only one thing. Okay, first thing how I created is append to select append to select page list each page in from all coverages. E page, if I say in Telugu, okay, let it be. Append to add the data to select page list from the all coverages page list for each page in. I have written the condition. Py selected equal to true. If that is true, then append. Otherwise, don't append. Like that, I have created a condition. Okay, it can be written also. It can be written as like this. Okay, I'll open this thing. Maybe after enabling it, it will open. Okay, I will disable it for now. This can be also written as using for loop for each page in all coverages. Use this all coverages as a source page equals to function I have used. If py selected equal to true, then if when means if py selected equal to true, then append to selected coverages page list from current source page. What is the current source page? All coverage. Same like this. Okay, this can be written as like this and like this. Okay, so I'll show you one more thing here. Okay, where is our mic case? Okay, this is the thing. Let me create a case now. Just I need some more enhancement here. Change tails. Okay, I'll select 25254. Okay, something like that. Now the data is coming right. Because earlier it came two times because we called data transform dt in two places. One is pre-processing of this section and another one is post-processing of before section. Okay, that's why I have deleted at one section. Now it's coming as fine. So what I will do here is instead of this table format, including this table format, I want this in repeated dynamic structure. For that, I'll open this section, selected coverages section. Okay, I'll add one more dynamic layout here. Okay, I'll change the color. Then I will add repeated dynamic layout. Okay, now the repeated dynamic layout source is unspecified, it is saying, right? I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll give the source here. What is the source? Selected coverages page list. Where is that? This is the source. Submit. Now drop a single section. It is asking me to drop a section, but I don't have any section with me, right? So what I will do now, I'll go to vehicle coverages class. I'll create one section here. Section. I'm going to wrap this section in somewhere. So maybe combining way somewhere. Okay, I'll use combined section SEC or whatever the name. It's not the big deal. It's just for remembering purpose only. Convert full section editor. Okay. What I will do here is I'll open properties. Whatever the properties I have, I'll drag and drop here. Okay. This should be read only. Okay. We are making that section as read only. So no need to do it. Otherwise, I'll make it read only. Okay. Okay. Save it. Now I'll go here. I'm trying to drag this section, but we cannot, I think we won't be able to drag the section. We'll see whether we can able to drag or not. Oh, it's coming. Okay, I'll save it. Now I will create a case and test it. Okay, I'll create a case. See, the data is coming in this format as well. Okay, like that it will come. Okay, and dynamic layout format also will come. If we want, we can change this color. Okay, I am changing this color. Okay, how to change the color? Go here, just change the color. Take errors, I don't want. Maybe I want blue color. We'll try utility. What is this? Okay, this is white color. Okay, mobile header. We'll see. It will come in blue color. Okay, and I will do one more thing. Stacked. I'll inline grid double. I will use. Okay, now create a cache and test it. 2, 9, 10. It's coming. Okay. Okay. This is how to use that repeated dynamic layout structure. Okay. In next video, I will show you how to transfer the data by using activities as well. We can transfer the data by using data transforms and activities as well. In data transforms, we have seen how to do it by using functions and when rule as well. Okay, next video I'll show you how to transfer the data by using data transfer, sorry, activities. Okay, we'll continue next section. Okay, process. I'll just check. I want to check something. Okay, why we can able to drag the data here is directly drag the section is possible because I have defined the page is selected coverages page list. First it is asking me to define the source. I have defined the page list source. That page list is belonging to the this vehicle coverages data class. That's why we can directly drag and drop. Otherwise we will use that embedded section concept. Okay, like this we will use embedded section. But here I can directly drag and drop because the both sections this page list is referred to this data class only. I'm trying to access the section from this data class only. That's why it's possible. Okay. Okay, in next video I'll show you how to do it by using activities. Okay, until then, bye bye, signing off.